Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can share your Bigo Live profile to your friends. First of all, just download your Bigo Live app and open it up. After opening up, just log into your account, and after you have logged into your account, you will be on the live page of Bigo Live. And from here on out, go to me, which is on the bottom right side of your screen, and this will take you to your profile. And on the top right corner of your screen, you can see an account type of button. If you click on this, it will take you to this screen, where now again, if you click on the arrow and a circle on the top right corner of your screen, you can see that it will take you to this screen, where now you are able to copy your Bigo Live ID and send it to your friends. Just copy it up. As you can see, it has been copied, and now you can paste it on your friend's profile or even your own profile, so that other people are able to visit your own profile on Bigo Live. And that is how you can share your profile on Bigo Live. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our new video. Thank you for watching.